Whether you're creating NFTs for the first time, or if this is the first time you are creating an NFT, one thing to consider when selecting where to list your NFT is liquidity. Another thing to factor in is ease of use. The first platform that comes to mind for most persons is OpenSea. However, there are only a handful of persons who can deal with the high gas fees required to mint, buy, sell NFTs on OpenSea, especially on the Ethereum network. A good alternative is NFTrade. NFTrade is a cross-chain NFT platform with about 50,000 daily users, and so you're sure that there is liquidity and then there are users. And so list your NFT on NFTrade or create an NFT on NFTrade. You want to go to nftrade.com. So from here you'll see the menus, the marketplace, swap, the farms to create an NFT and NFTD. All these other options, we'll talk about them some other time. However, what you want to do right now is to come to this option where you have to connect your account. So click on connect account and then you select MetaMask. Once that is done, you are connected to the blockchain. So as you can see, we are connected to the BNB chain here. When you click on that, you'll be able to see other networks so you can create an NFT on: Polygon, Avalanche, Ethereum, Moonriver, and Moonbeam. We're using the BNB chain here. Keep in mind that if you select a particular chain, the NFT created will be created on that chain. So having said that, you want to scroll down and then come to the create option. Click on create and then you see the option to upload the file you want to make an NFT. Whether it's a JPEG, PNG, even an MP4 or MP3 can become an NFT. You click on this option, you select the file, and then you give it a name. After giving it a name, you come to this option and give it a description. And then if you want it to have some properties, you can come here, click on the properties options, and then you give that particular property a value. Before you can create this NFT, however, you need to already have an NFT collection. If you don't have one, you just come to this collection tab here, and then there's this icon in front of it, the plus icon. Click on it to add a collection. Give it a name and then a symbol. An example is CryptoPunks that we have here. A symbol for that is CPNKS. So whatever collection you are creating, you just give it a symbol for 5 letters like that, and then you select these two options to agree to the NFTrade terms and condition. You click on the create collection button. Once that is done, you come to this select collection. You will see the collection you have created right here, and then you can approve the terms and condition again, showing clearly that whatever NFT you are creating belongs to you, and then you click on the create NFT. And just like that, you have created your first NFT if this is the first time of doing so.